So this is like a qigong exercise that strengthen your internal organs, okay? So when you do simple ones, but regular every day, you will strengthen your health.
Massage therapy has many reported benefits, including hand massages. Hand massages may help ease muscle tension and may even reduce pain. Let's take a closer look at some of the hand conditions that research has shown may benefit from a hand massage.
Today in this video, we have 10 minutes to practice qigong massage, hands with 10 fingers, okay? This routine will help you to maintain very good health, at the same time to improve your internal organs and heal a lot of sickness. So first of all, you can find the comfortable position. You can sit on the chair or on your yoga mat. To bring your mind back to the body, open your palms, inhale deep. Exhale slow. You may close your eyes. And you may put your two hands on your thighs, on your legs. Take a deep breath. Breathe through your nose and feel your two feet on the ground. Feel the two palms relax.
It is the opening movement to awaken the body's inner healing system.
Your shoulders relax. Offer a gentle smile to yourself. Okay, that's wonderful. So first of all, you can shake your hands. Shake all fingers and your hands or palms. The first moment, you can hold in your hand together like a fist, and then outside of your index finger and your thumb here, you touch together this area, okay, and you click into it. These movements can help yourself to relax your face and heal your skin of your face, okay? So you may click from 60 until 100 times. So you feel a little bit pain, a little bit hurt, it's okay. Look like you are massage, click into it together. You breathe naturally and relax your hands.
It activates the qi energy in your palms, awakens blood flow, and connects you to your own energy.
That's wonderful. The next one, form your two hands together like a flower from your chest. So you can touch two inner wrists together, okay, right here. So you click into it 60 times and 200 times, okay? This one can help your heart beat healthier, but at the same time to make your heart stronger, okay? Breathe in, breathe out. You just smile and relax. That's wonderful. Next one, face your palms up. Okay, this is the number 3. So you may touch the area outside your little fingers. Go in until your wrist over here. Okay, this area. Yeah, this area. So you may touch two of those together. Face your palms up. You click 60 times and 200 times. Okay. Also, this movement help yourself to reduce your headache, your migraine. Breathe in, out naturally through your nose and relax your palms. Relax your elbows, your fingers.
It aligns the energy in both hands, calms the nervous system, and balances the yin and yang forces in the body.
That's wonderful. So you may shake all fingers or your hands to release all tension from your elbows. Breathe in, out, release all tension from your fingers. Open your palms, inhale deep. Exhale slow. Bring your mind back to the body again. You may close your eyes to take a deep breath. To feel your palms relax. Your lower abdomen relax. And your shoulders relax. Okay. So the fourth movement, cross your thumb and your index finger together. Okay, like this. Okay, Here, there is a point that can help yourself to reduce toothache or headache also. So you may click, cross your fingers, thumbs and index finger like that. You click 60 times until 100 times, okay? So breathe in, out. Relax your thumbs, relax your index fingers.
This massage stimulates those organ systems and brings them into harmony.
That's wonderful. So the next one, holding your all fingers together, cross all fingers together, okay? So this is the number 5. So you click into it together. These movements can help yourself to restore energy, release all tiredness. When you feel tired, you may do this one to restore your energy. You may do like this also 60 until 100 times, okay? Breathe in, out, in, out. Relax your hands, relax your elbows. Offer a gentle smile to yourself. You may look at your hands and just smile to them, okay? That's wonderful. Number 6. So your left palm open like this, and the right hand will make the fist, okay? You will use the fist from the right hand to click and tap into the palm of the left palm, okay? So this one can help yourself to massage your left palm. So strengthen your internal organs, okay? So you also do like this for 60 until 100 times, okay? You clap together, you click together and massage your left palms by your right fist. This one can help yourself to warm up your palms, at the same time to strengthen your internal organs daily, okay? That's good. And the 7th one, we do opposite way. Take the left fist from the left hand and open your right palm like this. And you click into the right palm, okay? Like this, together. Click 60 and 200 times, okay?
It helps to break minor energetic blockages in the fingers, releases mental tension, and activates the nerves connected to the spine and brain.
That's wonderful. The next one, number 8, right here in the back of your hand. 2 of those, okay? You may use the right hand on the top or the left hand on the top, it's okay. As long as you can click into it, you feel comfortable, okay? So you click both of them together 60 until 100 times. And this one can help yourself to maintain good level of the sugars, but at the same time to prevent diabetes, okay? Breathe in, out. You feel a little bit hurt, a little bit pain, it's okay, it's normal like that.
It awakens the energy centers in your fingers, sharpens mental clarity, and strengthens your brain-to-hand coordination.
That's wonderful. Open your palms, inhale deep. Exhale slow. Relax your 2 palms. Relax your shoulders. Relax your back. It's so wonderful to have 2 hands. All fingers healthy and your palms healthy. You can move, right? Smile to them. The next one, you can massage your 2 palms together until you feel warm. And then after that, you will put on your eyes to nourish your eyes and make your eyes more bright, okay? Put your palms on 2 eyes, okay? You may close your eyes to take a deep breath in and out for 3 times. You let your eyes rest and relax your eyes. So these movements can help yourself to refresh your eyes and make your eyes more bright, and allow yourself to relax and heal your eyes. Okay, so massage the two palms again. You may repeat 3 times like that. Massage your palms until you feel warm. Then you put your 2 palms on your eyes. Close your eyes. You feel the warmth from your palms. Transmit it into your eyes. Look like love and care, compassion, embracing your eyes, and send good energy to your eyes to heal and to relax. Take a deep breath 3 times. Do it one more time. Massage the 2 palms together. Put your palms on your eyes again. Breathe in, out, and relax my eyes. Inhale. Exhale. Feel so grateful to my eyes. That's wonderful.
Doing these exercises daily will heal your internal organs through hand meridians, calm your nervous system, open your energy pathways, qi, strengthen your emotional balance, support your heart, lungs, kidneys, intestines, and brain function. Thank you.